We are doing balloon letters today, and first of all, let us understand how we do that. Basic things are there. We will be doing the simple straight lines like this, or the intersection points, or something like this, which usually doesn't happen, or the curves, something like this, or this. So we need to study. हमारे सारे के सारे letters में कुछ इसी तरीके के strokes होते हैं which we construct our letters like. So construction of the balloon letters is just like that. So we will see one by one how to inflate them like the balloon. These will be the basic strokes like the skeleton of the letter, and then we will inflate them with the ear, and air भरने के बाद में they will go whoosh. And how will they behave? Just like the balloons. So let's start with the first one here. So straight line, a simple straight line like this will be like, it will have two end points. यहाँ पे दो end points हैं. So at end points, whenever I do this, just go around this and mark a simple curve around this. And with there is a straight line, go parallel. And then how do we do that? अब इसका हम कर देते हैं balloon stroke. I am taking 5 basic colors, which are the colors that are from the pink and red family, and a white for the highlight. So let's create a simple thing here. For this base, we will go straight. अब इसमें हम कर रहे हैं inflation. हवा भर देते हैं. Ends will be like this. Whenever I have a circle here, एक यहाँ पे rounded edge दे देंगे. So इस तरीके का जब हमारे पास skeleton होगा, हमारा balloon कुछ इस तरीके का बनेगा. और इसके शेडिंग कैसे करेंगे? वी आर इमेजिनिंग लाइट सोर्स इज फ्रॉम दिस साइड. दैट्स आवर लाइट बल्ब. इमेजिन. सो आई विल बी मेकिंग द एरो फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट साइड. लाइट सोर्स इधर है, शैडो शाइन इधर आएगा, शैडो विल बी ऑन द डार्कर साइड. सो सबसे पहले तो हम कर लेते हैं हमारा बेस कलर, विच इज़ द पिंक कलर. अभी हम पिंक कलर का बलून बना रहे हैं. सो वी आर डूइंग पिंक कलर पूरी तरीके से यहाँ पे कर लिया. I know you are able to see this line, but you don't have to make those lines so prominently. But आज हम सीख रहे हैं तो we have those lines. ये करने के बाद में now we know यहाँ पे हमारा light पड़ रही है, and this is a smooth surface. So this part is probably going to be left out as white. So after that we can darken up the color. Darken up कैसे करेंगे? पेंसिल का प्रेशर बढ़ा देंगे, the hand pressure on the pencil, and we will get a darker color. प्लस एक और लेयर हो जाएगी तो कलर वैसे भी थोड़ा सा डार्क हो जाएगा. बट इतने से हमारा बलून तो लग नहीं रहा. वी विल गो विद द सेकेंड नेक्स्ट कलर एंड अप्लाई इट ऑन द अदर साइड जहाँ पे लाइट नहीं पड़ रही है. रिमेंबर यहाँ पे स्मूथ कर्व है, तो हमारा जब कलरिंग करेंगे ये वाले स्ट्रोक्स भी स्मूथ होने चाहिए. So it's going to be somewhat like this. And this we are doing today with the pencil color ताकि हम basic placement of the light and dark समझ सकें. इसके बाद में हम अलग अलग मीडियम से ब्रश पेन लेटरिंग ही निकलता है मुँह से, बट अगली बार से हम बलून लेटर्स के लिए बहुत अलग अलग कलर मीडियम्स ट्राई करेंगे. द ड्राई मीडियम्स, वेट मीडियम्स एंड ऑल दैट. आई एम स्टिल नॉट वेरी सेटिस्फाइड विद दिस. सो आई विल बी गोइंग वंस मोर वाइट पोर्शन के पास में जस्ट द लाइटर थिंग, एंड देन रेड का एक और मिक्स लेयर, so that we can see that there is three-dimensional thing happening. Flat surface पे three dimension को बनाना involves the play of the light and the shadow. So जहाँ पे शाइन पड़ रहा है इसके नीचे आसपास स्पेशली हम एक लेयर the darker colors we always put. And then सबसे जो dark color है, that is almost near brown, it's more like the burgundy that I'm going to do here. And now pressing it a little bit so that I have my darkest shade here. कर्व्स पे शेडिंग हमेशा कर्व्स की तरह ही करना है. Now we can see that it is coming a little bit to the life, the three-dimensional thing. अब ये white color लेके I am going to just blend it in here, and then the outer side of this. So this white pencil is basically acting like a blender and to lighten up the shades. My white pencil is not very opaque, तो मैं शाइन ऐड करने के लिए वाइट पेन का यूज़ करूँगी, which comes in very handy when you want to have some highlights like this one. Like this. So a straight portion of the balloon letters will behave somewhat like this, and this you can extend क्योंकि light थोड़ी आगे तक जा सकती है. So for the straighter portions I will go like this. Next thing is, when you have an intersection or a joint, how will you do that? अब horizontal vertical we will be they will behave like this, तो हम इसी तरीके से treat करेंगे. Second thing is the intersection points or the junctions. So ends always with the circle, and the joints will have this point. तो जब balloon inflate होगा, it will swell up here, here and here, but ये portion straight आएगा and it will go in here सीधा and like this and then like this. So this is that. अब इसी को हम कर देते हैं अगर प्लस, सो हमारा जो कर्व पॉइंट है दैट विल बिकम हियर, स्मूदन आउट, सर्कल 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 एंड देन स्मूथ, आफ्टर दिस स्मूथ, after this smooth. So if you have a balloon like this, it will inflate like a flower. So same चीज़ हम कर रहे हैं. It depends on the intersection points. If the best example would be the letter H. Now we can see that there are 2 of these junction points. Then we have 4 letters. Now the inflation will happen like go ahead, straight down, inflate and get back in. So you have to basically tuck the lines in the inflation points since there is a joint, and then this will go like this will go like this, and then this here, and उसको सीधा कर दीजिए. So your H will basically inflate like this, and then again we will follow the same things. Do the base color, at the moment I am not worrying much about my stroke direction because बहुत सारी अभी इसके ऊपर कलर की layers आने वाली हैं, plus I will be putting another layer of the pink itself. So as of now I am doing only the basic color coverage here. Now light source is again from this side, तो जब इसका shine पड़ेगी that will be somewhere here and it will be curved और इस तरीके से आएगा. Now this portion will also have a shine, its individual shine portion that will be here. Now that all is going to the darker side, so this is going to be darker, and again इसमें इस तरीके से, एंड ये वाला हमने जो इसका लेग है अलग से इन्फ्लेट कर दिया है. इट विल हैव अनदर शाइन. अब ये सीधा है इसलिए यहाँ पे एक सीधी कर रहे हैं. आफ्टर दैट डार्कन कर देते हैं. Now, if you are making this and you inflate a balloon like this, so basic skeleton is going to be here. Let's keep it like this. And you will see that it will have a lot of folds, just like a kidney bean. So we will inflate it at the ends, like the ends. The outer is going to be stretched. And then we'll go with this, but this will have quite a few folds like this. So when you color it, this becomes now we know that it has to be somewhere here. So we will have like this. So let's start coloring, and the base coat that we do is with pink. And then comes the white color. So we'll have the major shine area in here, and this is the most shiny part. No, that's all. So here, this is how you do the curves, and then if you want the reverse thing, just change the direction and that's it. You can smoothen this out if you find this difficult, तो आप इस वाले part को smooth भी बना सकते हैं. So it could be like this, and then a simple curve like this. So this smooth. That's up to you.